Alright y'all, today I'm going to show you how to transform your garage floor into this using the Rust-Oleum RockSolid Garage Floor Coating Kit. In all garage floor coating kit projects, preparation is key, and that's why you want to start with the Rust-Oleum cleaner and degreaser. Mix the degreaser with water and then spray it onto the floor. Then use a medium stiff brush to scrub it into the floor, removing all the oil, grease spots, and any dirt and debris. After we thoroughly scrubbed the floors, we used our pressure washer to rinse off the degreaser. Then we used a large squeegee to get rid of all the excess water. We did this entire process twice because you want to give the coating something clean to adhere to. Once the floor was clean enough to eat off of, we moved on to the etching. Mix it with 2 gallons of water and then pre-wet the garage floor. Once your etch is mixed with the water, use a sprayer to evenly coat the floor. After a portion of the floor is coated with the etch, use a bristle brush to vigorously scrub it, and then rinse. Keep the floor wet the entire time you are etching and scrubbing and rinsing. Finally, at the very end, rinse off the entire floor with a pressure washer and squeegee off the excess moisture. Because we had a moisture problem, we needed to use the Rust-Oleum Moisture Stop. Spray the Moisture Stop directly onto the floor with a sprayer, and then work into the concrete with a scrub brush. It's important to mist the area for 30 to 45 minutes while the moisture stop is setting. After it sets for 45 minutes, squeegee the excess moisture off the surface. Next, wait 2 hours, then flush the entire floor with water again and squeegee until dry. Now it's time for the fun part, coating your garage floor using the Rust-Oleum RockSolid kit. The RockSolid kit comes with absolutely everything you're going to need, and it's 20 times stronger than epoxy. Plus, it's so fast to apply. Alright, maybe not that fast, but close. Start by breaking the middle barrier on the Easy Mix burst pouch and combine parts A and B together. You can use a paint tray or pour it directly onto the floor. We started by using a brush to cut in around the edges and corners. Next, we switched to a roller working in 4x4 sections. I was completely shocked at how well the coating self-leveled. As you go along, be sure to sprinkle in your chips. Obviously, this is my favorite part, y'all. And the best method is to throw them into the air and let them float down naturally. This way they don't clump up. Once the floor was completely coated, we let it sit overnight before applying the Rust-Oleum Clear Garage Floor Coating. This bag is mixed together the same way, and we started again with the brush, cutting in all of the edges and the corners. Then, we moved on to using a roller, working in M and W patterns. Once it's complete, the surface will be walk-on ready in 8 to 10 hours and drive-on ready in only 24. Y'all, these floors turned out absolutely stunning, and they have the perfect sheen to them. The color we chose is called Dark Gray High Gloss, but there are a bunch of other rock-solid color options to choose from. It's amazing that just coating the floor can make the garage look so much cleaner and brighter. Another benefit to the RockSolid kit is that it's low odor coating and VOC free, so we didn't have to let it air out for days. I think we made a rock solid decision going with the Rust-Oleum coating kit. Let me know what y'all think.